So what was our purpose? To reduce drag on which aileron? Upgoing or downgoing? किस पे drag कम करना था? You have to reduce the drag on.
Reduce the drag on downward.
अच्छा कुछ भी okay. Either you want to increase on which side? Upgoing or downgoing?
Downward.
You want to increase on downgoing. वहां पे तो पहले से ही इंड्यूस्ड ड्रैग ज्यादा है. डाउनगोइंग एलेरॉन मींस
ज़्यादा तो आपने reduce तो बोला.
No, sir. So if lift is more on the upgoing wing, then
ड्रैग इज मोर ऑन दैट. तो उसी साइड तो एलेरॉन नीचे जा रहा है.
So then when we produce downgoing wing,
नो आई एम आस्किंग इंक्रीज डिक्रीज व्हाटएवर यू आर सेइंग दैट इज फाइन. ये विंग ऊपर जा रही है ना, इसी का एलेरॉन नीचे जा रहा है, तो इसी पे ड्रैग ज्यादा है, तो आप कहाँ इंक्रीज करना चाहते हो? You want to increase on this, you want to reduce on this. That's what you are saying. Okay, perfect. All of you, this is the same understanding? So what I'll do is, I'll deflect this downgoing aileron at a lower angle. And this is the downgoing aileron. I'll deflect this upgoing at a higher angle of deflection. Lower angle of deflection. You will not do it. That's the way they are designed. The moment you enter into the role, this is how they will deflect it. The downward will come at a lower angle. The upward will go at a higher angle. So this is called differential aileron. So write down. Okay? This is how the upgoing aileron is deflected. Now what do you do? Let them deflect at the same angle. Both of them, allow them whatever angle. If one is deflecting 2 degree downward, let the other deflect 2 degree upward. Okay? Now what do you do? The only change you have to do is on which wing you on which aileron you have less drag, upgoing aileron or downgoing wing has less drag. So what you do is project the leading edge of this upgoing aileron into the airflow. ये इसको थोड़ा नीचे प्रोजेक्ट कर दो. So normally if you are deflecting, in normal deflection, this will go this way. ऐसे. Now what you are doing in our case, when you are using frise aileron, you will deflect this from here. So this is leading edge of the aileron is projected into the airflow on the upgoing aileron. So parasite drag बढ़ जाएगा, and then it will equalize the drag on both sides. So that's another way, that's called frise aileron. F-R-I-E-S. Write down.